Hi everyone, I am your TECH.REHAAN. As I said in the last video that I will provide a new trick every day, so I am here. Today we'll discuss how to use AND function. Come on, let's move.
Here we have student names and their marks. Now I need to check whether a student is pass or fail. Here the target for each subject is 35 marks. To check it, we have AND function equal to AND logical 1 if this cell greater than or equal to 35, comma logical 2 if this cell greater than or equal to 35, comma logical 3 if this cell greater than or equal to 35, comma logical 4 if this cell greater than or equal to 35, comma logical 6 if this cell greater than or equal to 35, comma logical 6 if this cell greater than or equal to 35. Close the bracket, enter it. The output will be in true or false. Here in the third line we got false because in the max the result is 34. The target we gave for each subject is 35, greater than or equal to 35. Here it's 34, so we got false. Same in social we have 34, that's why we got false. There is a statement in AND condition, if one of the logical test is false, then the output is false. That means if a student in one subject fails, the output is fail. Now to replace true or false as pass or fail, add if condition before AND condition. So click here. Here in AND condition add before AND condition add if, open the bracket, in the last comma double quotations, in place of true add pass, comma, and in place of false add fail, double quotations, bracket close, enter it. So you can see the true or false have changed to pass or fail. Guys, make sure that we need to add if condition after writing the whole AND condition. So thank you guys. Hope you understood today's class. We'll meet tomorrow with a new trick.